The plants, areas, animals, and tribes of the Amazon rainforest hold many mysteries. It is fascinating that there is still so much we don't know about this majestic forest, even though it's one of the most important in the world, as it provides 20% of overall oxygen. Unlike some relatively well-known and rather explored sites of the Amazon, the region's remote areas remain mysterious. Hello explorers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into the heart of the Amazon jungle, where nature reigns supreme and mysteries abound. Concealed in the shadows, these chambers of lush flora harbor deep mysteries, fascinating animals, and nomadic tribes. Ready to go on an adventure? Number 5, City of Gold. First of all, let's talk about the City of Gold. The biggest history of the Amazon forest to date is the City of Gold, which is also called El Dorado. It is said that there was once a city here that was made entirely of gold, and the king of the city used to bathe in gold powder every day and spill all the gold into the Amazon River. Yes, in the 16th century, Europeans arrived in South America, specifically the Amazon forest, with a plan to occupy and bring soldiers. They encountered local Amazon people who had settled their cities, searching for El Dorado. Despite finding numerous tribes and gold, they were unable to locate the desired city. After continuing the search for the next 200 years, El Dorado was finally declared a myth. In the 19th century, British explorer Percy Fawcett conducted 8 expeditions in the Amazon, but failed to find El Dorado or other European recognized cities. He disappeared on May 29, 1925 in Brazil's Gro state, and after months of search, neither Fawcett nor his body were found. The scientific community believes the Amazon is unsuitable for humans, but advanced technology has led to the discovery of signs indicating human settlement. Researchers have found human waste buried underground and stone structures hidden under the forest layer. The National Geographic team has also searched for a city in the Amazon 15 kilometers inland from the Caribbean, in which 2,500-year-old structures were found buried in the mountains. But what is El Dorado in them, and where was it in such a big Amazon forest? This has been a mystery to the scientific community. Number 4, a hidden tribe. There are many tribes living in this vast Amazon jungle who have never seen the outside world. Yes, even anthropologists do not know how these people live in the jungle. One of them is known as the Paripara tribe, which lives in western Brazil. There were thousands of people in this tribe before, but only 15 to 20 are left now. Hey, first encountered the outside world in 1998. Their language suggests they expressed their pain, but captives killed their companions, some of whom survived, to mine in the forest. There are so many tribes that have settled their world in the Amazon jungle. Where did these people come from? Is there any connection with the tribes that lived here thousands of years ago? No one has been able to find out about this so far. Number 3, the Wayward Humpback Whale. In 2019, scientists were shocked when they found a dead humpback whale in the Amazon forest in North Brazil. So surprisingly, the whale was not dead, but its death timing was against the laws of nature. Actually, this 10-ton whale was a baby. The scientists hypothesized that the whale may have gotten separated from its mother. These whales enjoy hot water in the sea near the Amazon from October to November at the beginning of winter, but then they go south in search of food near Antarctica. But how did this whale die near the Amazon in February? Investigations found that the day it was found, it had died only 4 days earlier. Neither did it have any hunting marks on its body, nor did it have any injuries. First, how did the whale get here in this weather? Why did it come from the sea to the Amazon River? And most importantly, how did it get to the ground in the Amazon forest that day? And today, this mystery could never be solved. Number 2, ancient paintings. Historians have not been able to confirm for centuries when the people living in the Amazon jungle came here, but in 2017, this puzzle was solved when archaeologists found some paintings in the Amazon forest near Colombia. These big stones were completely buried in the mountains, and it was very important to expose them to understand these paintings. Therefore, when archaeologists excavated 13 kilometers here, they found that these stones were present in a cave. At some time, the paintings found in this 13 kilometers cave were about 12,000 years old. At that time, the end of the last ice age was going on, and it is obvious that there was no forest here at that time, but only ice. Some animals were also found in these paintings that only existed in the ice age, such as mastodons and giant sloths. These paintings also gave an idea that in that era, humans lived here in what conditions and how they hunted even bigger animals than themselves. Number 1. Silkhenge. Another secret of the Amazon forest was discovered in 2013 when a chemistry student near Peru found a strange structure in the Amazon. It was made on a plant leaf and looked quite mysterious. There was a cone made of silk right in the center of it and a great fence made of silk all around it. The student took photos of this structure and posted them on the internet, but surprisingly, no one had ever seen such a structure. To further investigate this, a team of scientists visited this part of Peru. In a little while, they found more than 45 such structures, some made on trees and some on plant leaves. This mysterious structure was called the Silkhenge, and some of them were taken to the laboratory. They found mites forming dust particles on the fence, which they confirmed did not produce silk. Instead, the structure was created by a spider species found in the western Amazon. These spiders build fences around their eggs, allowing dust mites to get stuck and feed their babies. And there you have it, 5 unsolved mysteries of the Amazon jungle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.